own tour and travel business, and how did it all began?
So we started our business last 2022, and before starting the business, we were really fun. We love to travel, so we've been to Cebu, Mindanao, and hopefully all around the world. So yeah.
So, second question, sir. What challenges did you face when establishing your business, and how did you overcome them?
The first challenge we had was our financial. Because before starting this business, you need a capital of maybe 300,000 for starters. So yeah, that was our main problem. The way we overcome it is we advertised it. We advertise our products. We advertised our traveling tours so that we can accommodate a lot of clients. So thank God, clients came fast. You know, from the first 2 months of our business, we got 20 clients to start with. So it was a great way of overcoming our financial problem.
So the third question, sir, is how do you ensure the quality and satisfactions of your clients' travel experiences?
Sa among kuan, every time daghan naman may client, so every time na may client, like mangutana may after mahuman ng tour, mangutana may sa ilang maingon, sa ilang review, say, you know, sa maingon nila kay in this way we can adjust on the next tour without yeah. We also do ako lang sa after every tour magama ako SWOT analysis, familiar na mag SWOT analysis. So mo na siya, and keep on improving each client at a time.
So the fourth question is, what trends have you observed in the tourism industry recently, and how has your business adapted to them?
So trends, no? So ang trend yun karon sa tourist kay kanang kuan man gud mga tao karon kay hilig ng mga Instagram, Facebook, TikTok. So sa our part, we try to adapt by sharing reels, TikTok videos. So nami mga nana, tig-post me